Hello students, welcome to online classes of Gardenia Public School. This is your science period and I am your science teacher Yogamaya. Today we'll continue the same chapter, that is friction, and we'll start with the new topic. So we'll begin with the friction is sometimes useful, or you can say the advantage of friction or friction in daily life. Friction is useful for many of our daily activities as it becomes a part of our life also. It is possible to hold a tumbler due to friction because between the hand and the tumbler. We can walk on the floor on the ground just because of the friction. It is possible to walk on the surface just because of the friction. Without friction, it is not possible for us to walk on the surface. We are writing on the copy, we are writing on the board. This is only just possible just because of the friction. Car and buses are able to move safely on the road just because of friction between the treaded tires and the surface of the road. So it would not be possible to light a matchstick by rubbing it against the matchbox if there was no friction. Friction causes nails and screws to hold onto the walls, and friction, because of the friction only, we will be able to write on the paper, board, etc. So these are the advantages of the friction. Now the some when the friction is undesirable, or you can say the disadvantages of the friction. So there are, along with the advantages, there are some disadvantages also. So what are the disadvantages? That soles of the shoes wear out due to the friction only. The tires of the bicycle and automobiles wear out just because of the friction only. Steps of staircases and foot over bridges in railway stations wear out just because of the friction only. So these are the disadvantages of the friction, and this friction also causes the wastage of energy, and this is because any object that moves has to overcome the force of friction. Friction wears out the rubbing surfaces also, and that's why the sole get weared out. Fine. Friction also generates heat, and sometimes this can be harmful also, as the heat produces in a fast moving machine is very high. The proper arrangements to be made to cool the machine, otherwise it can get damaged. So this is all the disadvantages of the friction. Now the next topic is increasing friction, that how we can increase the friction. Sometimes it is desirable to increase the friction also to avoid slipping, and friction can be increased by making the surfaces rough. Tires have designs and patterns with grooves on the surface to increase the friction with the road, and sand and gravel is strewn on slippery ground during the rainy season to increase the friction. It is then easier to walk on the ground. Now spikes are provided in the soles of the shoes used by the players and athletes to increase the friction so that they get a firm grip on the ground. Also gymnasts apply a course of substance on their hands to improve their grip. This is all just to increase the friction. Now the next topic is reducing friction, that how to minimize the friction. So the friction can be reduced by using lubricants like powders or oils and grease. And I have told you that in the carom board also we are using what? Powders. Now using rollers or wheels also we are reducing the friction. So using ball bearing, we sprinkle powder on a carom board just to reduce the friction, and oiling and greasing is applied between the moving parts of the machine to reduce the frictions. So these all, and also by streamlining to reduce the fluid friction. That's why fluids such as water and air also exerts friction on the moving object, as I have told you in the types of friction. So this frictional force that fluids exert on the object is called the drag, and it depends on the nature of the fluid, the shape of the object, and the speed of the object with respect to the fluid. Friction is minimum for a streamlined shape which is rounded in the front and narrow at the back, and the bodies of aeroplanes, missiles, rockets, cars, etc. are streamlined just to reduce the friction. Fine. So this is all about the friction, that how you reduce the friction. Hope these topics you understood well, and and you can also prepare yourself for the exams also. Now once again I would like to remind you beta कि please just stay at your home only. If there's any emergency, it's very then only just go out of your home. And if you are going out of your home, then please use sanitizer and mask. Wear mask. Without mask and sanitizer, don't go out. Fine. Stay well, stay healthy, stay safe at your home. Thank you very much for watching this video. Just read the chapter also along with this. Just see the video, watch the video carefully, and read the chapter also, so that you can understand the things well. Thank you very much.